Hello, and welcome to Robert's Tech Corner, your source for all things technical. In this video, I will explain the different blood types and how antibodies protect them. There are just 4 basic blood types. On the surface of the red blood cell will be antigens. These are markers to tell your immune system what blood type you have. Blood type A will have an A antigen on its surface, represented by a triangle shape. Blood type B will have a B antigen on its surface, represented by a square shape. Blood type AB will have both antigens on its surface, represented by a triangle shape and a square shape. Blood type O will have no antigen on its surface. Your red blood cells and your antibodies are in a fluid called plasma. The antibodies in plasma are in a Y shape. The top 2 arms on your antibodies will just grab onto the opposite antigen as the antigen that's on the surface of your red blood cells. When you receive a blood transfusion, you will be receiving the red blood cells and the antibodies that go with the red blood cells. Let's say you have blood type B, but you get a blood transfusion of blood type A. Your antibodies will go after the A antigen. Let's say you get a blood transfusion of blood type B. Your antibodies will not go after the B antigen because the B antigen is already on the surface of your red blood cells. So your immune system will accept this blood type. Now let's say you get a blood transfusion of blood type AB. Your antibodies will still go after the A antigen. Now let's say you get a blood transfusion of blood type O. Your antibodies will have no antigen to go after, so your immune system will accept this blood type. This is why blood type O is the universal donor blood type. Now let's say you have blood type AB. You can get a blood transfusion from any blood type because you have no antibodies to go after either antigen, so your immune system will accept any blood type. When your antibodies grab onto the antigen that's on the surface of the foreign red blood cell, this will cause the red blood cells to clump together. This process is called agglutination. When all of the red blood cells clump together, this will cause blood clots and be fatal. There is also another type of antigen on the surface of your red blood cell. This is the Rh antigen. This was found in the rhesus monkey, so no matter what blood type you have, you may or may not have the Rh antigen on the surface of your red blood cell. If you have a positive at the end of your blood type, this means you have the Rh antigen on the surface of your red blood cell. If you have a negative at the end of your blood type, this means you do not have the Rh antigen on the surface of your red blood cell. The way the Rh gene functions is like this. When a woman is pregnant, the baby is either Rh positive or Rh negative. No matter which parent is Rh positive, the baby will be Rh positive because the Rh gene dominates. Let's say the baby's mom is Rh negative and the baby's dad is Rh positive. The baby will be Rh positive. As soon as the mom's blood is exposed to the baby's blood, the mom's immune system will begin to make Rh antibodies. This can take place during a miscarriage or prenatal testing or a physical trauma to the uterus, but usually takes place when the mom gives birth. If the mom is Rh negative and she is giving birth for the first time 28 weeks into her pregnancy, she will be given the RhoGAM shot. If the mom gives birth to a baby that is Rh positive, the RhoGAM shot will prevent the mom's immune system from making Rh antibodies. After the mom gives birth, they will test the baby's blood to see if the baby is Rh positive. If the baby is Rh positive 72 hours after the mom gives birth, she will be given another RhoGAM shot. If the mom does not receive the RhoGAM shot, the next time the mom gives birth, the mom's Rh antibodies will attack the fetus. Because this video was about the different blood types and how antibodies protect them, I will not be going into detail about how the Rh blood type functions. If you would like me to make a video about how the Rh blood type functions in detail, please feel free to contact me. If you have any questions about this video or how anything else works, please feel free to contact me.